So, followers, subscribers, and people who like this channel, welcome again to this technical bench, the digital platform at Netizen Studios, channel where we blog about technology, right? And today, this morning, it's another day, another opportunity that I want to show a few things about these KONICA machines here. Yeah, these KONICA printers. I just want to be very brief, and what I'm showing is two important boards which are found at the back of these machines here, right? These machines here. This is KONICA C454 series, bizhub 454. This is C258. But these machines are like synonymous, right? They are like synonymous, as in they share so many things. So when I'm showing a part or one part of one machine, it may apply, or rather it applies to the other likewise. And one of the boards that I'm showing is this one here, this board here. This board is the scanner board. This is the scanner board. It is the scanner board which is used together with the ADF. It is located somewhere down here. You open this plastic here, there is another plastic on top here at this DF or the document feeder. When you remove those two plastics, you are able to locate this board and remove it. It controls, or it is the motherboard for the ADF and the scanner or the scanner board. It has these connectors here, these cable connectors here, and also it has a small flat cable for data, transmission, right? Of course, these are capacitors, transistors, then these chips for keeping of program or keeping of program files. Okay, then I actually did not intend to show that board. My big intention was to show this board here. Hii board iko hapa yenye inakaa yellow hapa. We call it the high voltage board. The high voltage board. This high voltage board is very important. Hii hapa. Hii board hapa. We call it the high voltage board. The high voltage board. Hii hapa. These are the high voltage board connectors or wirings. This one here. It is the one which carries much current or electricity for the printer. It connects the it has connections to the main board and to other circuit boards inside the machine. It is the board which is responsible for making a good printout. When you have a faint printout from your machine, then this is a board which is responsible for that. Okay, or when your machine is misbehaving in a printout, like for example the printout is faint, or it is giving a faint printout, then you can change this board. Or if you are able to correct it, because it is because it maybe has a problem maybe with its wiring, or maybe the capacitors, the transistors, and you can be able, or the connections, and you can be able to troubleshoot that, then you can make that board and it will correct your printout or the printout for your machine. Or when your machine is not powering, it can cause even the machine not to be able to display well, right? Unapata machine unaakisha lakini haipeleki display vizuri pale kwa the control board ama pale kwa touchpad. You can change the control, the high voltage board, this board here, hii hapa yenye inakaa yellow, and it will be able to correct that faint printing or some things to do with the display, because power is not enough for the machine to power on or to be able to display. Those are two things I know can come from this board here: display and faint printing or misbehaving of the developers or of the drum units, because or any printout that comes from consumables, right? Because much of the consumables responsible for producing a printout is the IU, or rather the developer units, the drum unit, the transfer belt, and the like, right? So if it is having such a problem and it is not from those, then you can consult or you can check the high voltage board. This board here, or this mabatis here, are the ones which holds the main board. The main board, there is a video we just did, and I did a demonstration about the main board, and I even shown you the main board. Wakati at the time when I was saying that the main board, this ndio inaingianga hapa, actually like how like this. Hii ndio main board yenye inaingianga hapa right. Alafu hii ni control board yenye huwa nayo inaingia hapa, zinakuanga hivi. This one we did a video about it like just yesterday. We say that this is the engine board, this is the reader board or the control board, right? That one we did a full video about it. You can refer from the channel or you can check from the channel. Now these are connectors to the main board. Of course I said these are others at the back here are connectors to the high voltage board. Then hapa hivi ni mali kwenye kunaingianga the main drive. We also have a video in this channel about the main drive yenye inaingianga hapa hivi, right? Yenye inaingianga hapa. We have a full video about the main drive of these printers, right? Then over here utapata kuna a lot of kind of motors or other drives which are used either by the fuser unit or by the drum units or the developer units. There are a lot of motor around there. Then there is also this small board here. I also thought it was good. I also show this small board here. Ni kadogo hapa hivi. Kanaingianga hapa hivi. Kanaingianga mahali hapa. Actually kanafungiangwa hapa hivi. Alafu hii connector yake to the machine. The use of this board is for backup. It is used for backup. When I was showing you about the main board, kuna wakati niliwaonyesha a hard disk ya the removable hard disk yenye inafungiangwa hapa hivi, the removable hard disk which is used for backup, right? To back up the content from the or file from the machine or from the printer. Na sasa hii ndio board yenye inasaidia kufanya backup. This is the board which is used to aid or to assist when you are doing backup to the machine. So this is the board for the backup. It is normally mounted here. Alafu there is its connector yake ndio hiyo hapo yenye so this is the board. Then kuna kuanga na hard disk hapa yenye huwa imeshikishwa hapa. So for this hard disk, because it is used to do backup, it is this board which aids in that. You know, the idea behind machines is that, right, it is a system which is comprises of different devices connected together doing or working for a common goal, and much of the work is aided by boards, right? That's why we have the printer board, we have the engine board, we have, you know, the memory, the RAM, that is, we have the CD which we looked at from the main board, and now like for the backup, this is a motherboard that enables that. Even for the laser, we have a laser at that side there. We shall have a video about it, and it also have its board which we call the pH board, ama board ya lesser inaitangwa pH board, but we shall have a video about that. Hii nilikuwa tunaonyesha haka ka small board here kenye kanatumika kufanya ama kusaidia when you are doing backup for the machine. Kanashikishangwa mahali hapa hivi, alafu unaweka hii connector yake, alafu unakafungia, kanakuanga kamefungiwa tu hapa hivi, kanaitwa pH board. It is a board or a backup board which assists the hard disk drive for doing backup. The space here is a little bit small, so I'm struggling to put the screw, but you can just do it using your hands. Alafu unarudi sasa, unachukua your screwdriver, unaifungia. These, as I said, are my tools of trade. I like them so much. You'll find me working with them, and especially when I'm in job, especially this one here. This is a tester, this is just a screwdriver. So I've just fitted my small motherboard, which works together with the hard disk to do backup. Okay, and now I think with that I'm done with my video, and I hope it will help you, or it has helped you. Yeah, I hope it has helped you to understand at least a different or some other different parts of the this printer, the KONICA MINOLTA, at the back of it. What normally is put at the back of it. This one here is just a power connection area. Hapa ndio mali tunashikishanga cables za power, so that you can be able to power the machine, of course from the main switch. Unakuja unashikisha power hapa ama cable ya power hapa, ndio machine iweze kupower on na iweze kuwaka. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like the video, share to your other social media platforms. That is the best, it is the best, thing you can do for us. It is the best favor that you can do for us, and we shall appreciate. Otherwise, shalom. See you in the next video.